Asante sana. For the guests who are here, I come here first because I was invited by Her Excellency Martha Karua, somebody that I've known for many years. And this is a wonderful idea. The branding is good. I hope the message will get to the people. I am representing a gentleman who's not here with us, and his name is Fred Matiang'i. He sent me to come and tell his colleagues, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, Honorable Martha Karua, Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, my brother and my friend, Honorable Morara Kebaso, Honorable all the people and the teams that are here, I want to say thank you. Wanjigi, oh God, you are a serious Kenyan. We are very, very proud of you. I want to say two words. We have a country where our budget now is 4 trillion. Parliament serves the executive. 90% of the members of parliament and senators have been bought. In that process, you have this 4 trillion budget, which is supposed to give our people health services. It's dead. You have the education system on its knees. Why? Because university funding money does not get to the people who are vulnerable. You have a government that is actually doing something called affordable housing, but in the universities, all our students live in the slums. Instead of the government building where these kids stay, because they pay, the government is building houses where the president and his friends are sharing the loot. How are they sharing the loot? They supply the cement. First of all, they take public land, they supply the cement, they supply chumas, they supply kokoto, they supply mchanga among the friends. They have said they were building 200,000 houses. The Auditor General says we've only done 5,000. The rest, they don't know where they are. You have a country that as we speak today, you don't know where the port of Mombasa, who owns it. Wanjigi, you don't know who owns Lamu Port. What happened to Vision 2030 and Kansas City? Billions and billions of Kenyan shillings dumped over there. Nothing has happened. Then, of course, Morara has always come out with the roads, how there is nothing, how they take the money and share it amongst themselves. Teachers are not being paid because they are examining exams from 2 years ago. And then you have our Kengen, you have Ketchako, you have Diathamo, all of these state corporations. If I ask Eugene Wamalwa today, Your Excellency, do you know now who the ownership, the partnership of these government institutions are? Would you tell me? Absolutely not. All our universities land, whether it is the University of Nairobi, whether it's Kenyatta, whether it is Moi University Eldoret, is being allocated, shared amongst the people in government today. The houses where university lecturers have been staying around here, including across the street, they have already transferred the titles. And I'm informed that some of those are being given to commercial banks so that they can borrow money against them, so that if the government comes later to claim for those properties, they'll find that they're already on second or third encumbrance. Then you have a matter where if you're a country that you are not willing to accept criticism, you are a president and you think that you are going to take people like me, you are taking young Kenyans and you're killing them. And right now, some of them are being killed in a stadium in one of the Western province county governments. That is the information I got last night. They're taken there at 2 o'clock in the morning. And the bodies are picked at 7 in the morning in trucks. What have we become? What state are we? Honorable Gachagua, you talk about how they may want to kill you. all of us can be killed. Please, if they kill me, come for my funeral, because I'm not going to stop talking about these things. I will not. And if they offer the money, I will not take it. I will not. It has reached a country where all of us now must begin to interrogate ourselves and ask ourselves, lest we forget, like I heard my brother talk about, lest we forget every single thing that is going to happen to any of us can happen to any of you out there. So finally, I want to tell the leaders on this table, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, don't be like these people if you become president. Rigiji, don't be like these people. Honorable Eugene, the country needs you. So don't come and take over power and start sharing the loot and behaving as if this country doesn't need support. We are mistreating our most vulnerable people very unfairly. We take their money, we misuse it. We don't take money to schools for capitation. We leave children becoming like beggars. Young people in this country are being promised to be given jobs out of the country. Hell no, there are no jobs out there